on the ground for them. Try not to throw food at the animals. Look around and just line up on the ground too.
Wait,
Hold your bushes up, right there it is. 2 hands from the bottom.
They'll come right in, don't worry.
she stops.
We got sheep and Kerfers, go Barbary sheep. We got pretty eyes, they're from Morocco. Got a boy ostrich on the right. The boy ostrich are black and gray, and the girls are all gray. They're from Africa.
I would, yeah. Oh.